Hello and welcome to All About Lifestyle. You must have got the idea from the thumbnail that today's video is about organization and decoration of study table, and yes, this organization or desk is for my cousin. I always find that organized desk helps to stay on task and focused on the work so much better. And yes, this organization is rental friendly also, as I haven't used any nails. So let's start. You can clearly see that this is an old desk which was lying unused as it was so ugly. Let's start to renovate it, where I'm going to paint it using a wooden white color with the help of a thick brush. And to give a nice finish, I have given 2 coats of color. And when it got dry, I have applied a touchwood varnish for extra shine and finish. Next, to hide the ugly mica, my cousin helped me to apply the zebra print paper on it with the help of a mica glue. And yeah, we didn't buy this paper since it was already there in her stationery collection. Yup, she was enjoying doing a DIY for her table. And yeah, her let me do it by my own behavior helped me to do the other tasks simultaneously and made the makeover easy and quickly. All that paper prints and paint gave the table a superb makeover, and the table was looking a fresh new piece. Next DIY is a wall hanging, which is so much in trend these days. For this you need a stick, but I have used a straw as it was extra, and a crochet. You can even use an old sweater or embroidered cloth. Now with the help of fabric glue, I made this simple wall hanging. You just have to apply the glue on one side of the crochet. And after sufficient applying of fabric glue, just simply stick the other end of the crochet over the next end, and it's ready. To make it more appealing, I added some pom-pom, as my cousin has so many of them lying unused. These pom-pom gave the simple wall hanging a pop of color. To hang it on wall, I have used the jute rope and tied 2 knots on both the sides of straw. And tada, it's ready. My cousin was really glad with the. Next, to make the pin or vision board, I thought of making a DIY mesh board, and for this I have again used the long straws. For making a mesh board, I simply made a mesh by stacking the straws vertically and horizontally and got secured with the help of mica fevicol. And yeah, the mica fevicol, it works like a hot glue gun. Then to give a pop of color, I painted it with yellow color. Next, to make the banners, I have used a fluorescent chart paper and got it cut into triangles. She wanted to have the banners saying peace and dream, so I wrote the letters as per the words. After that, stuck the rope on the triangles with the help of masking tape or paper tape. In the next DIY, I have used a ketchup bottle as the money plant holder, and for that I colored it yellow and red, and after drying I removed the paper tape for a finished look. Now comes the interesting part, and let's arrange and organize the desktop. Firstly, I have hung the mesh board with the help of a two-way tape and added some of her pictures and quotes she got printed on a glossy paper. And yeah, for hanging the pictures I have used the paper clips. The mesh board was looking like as if it is not made of straw, and it is real and beautiful too. We were so delighted with this idea. Next, on the top of the board, we hung the banner saying dream, and at the bottom was the peace banner. And yup, both of them were hung with the help of two-way tape only. Now with the help of a smiley sticker, which is like a two-way tape, I hung the crochet wall hanging on the electricity board, as the tape will not give any stain on it. Next, on the table I arranged the planter and a small tray for keeping the notepads. And yeah, the planter was carrying the real money plant. And then added the dictionary, and a piggy bank, as it was a smiley and giving the yellow pop color on table. Next, I kept the teddy bear pen holder to augment the table with some cuteness, as it is a girly desk organization. Then, to add some greenery, I hung the artificial leaf wall hanging with the help of a two-way tape. And after all the arrangements and organization, the whole desk area was looking so Pinterested that my cousin was literally happy with all the DIYs. I hope this desk organization will boost efficiency in my cousin's study, as it is clutter free and beautiful also. Hope you all have liked the video, as most of the ideas have taken less time, were doable and budget friendly. Part 2 of this video will be coming next, where I'll be showing a room makeover plus tour of my cousin, and I will also be introducing my cousin with you all. So make sure you subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon button for a quick notification. Let me know your views in comment section. Thanks. Bye bye. We'll see you in my next video.